your turn, Baby John.
Yeah.
She'll be here soon.
They'll have some fun.
Hello.
Oh?
Yay!
Daddy and Mommy will be back soon. And you've got the whole afternoon to play. What do you say?
No. I am scared. Don't go away. Babysitter wants to play with you.
We love her too.
Mommy, where are you? Daddy can't find you. Mommy, Daddy, gone? Yes, they're gone. They went away. Now I don't wanna play.
Aw, buddy. I know you'll miss them a lot. But look at all these toys I've got for you. So much to do.
Mommy, where are you? Daddy can't find you. Mommy, Daddy, gone? It's okay, 'cause I wanna play with Babysitter today. Wow!
I see that you're feeling down. But Mr. Dino stomps the ground and roars. Can you roar?
Roar!
Come and play, there's lots to see. We'll have so much fun, you and me. Are you ready?
Mommy, where are you? Daddy can't find you. Mommy, Daddy, gone? It's okay, 'cause I wanna play with Babysitter today.
Stay right here.
Where are you going?
Where did she go?